Generative AI agents are a new breed of artificial intelligence. They go beyond simply analyzing data or following instructions. These agents can generate new content. This content can range from text and images to music, and even computer code. Think of them as digital artisans. They use their training data as inspiration. From this inspiration, they create something entirely new. These agents learn the patterns and rules of their training data. They then use this knowledge to produce original outputs. There are different types of generative AI agents. Some excel at specific tasks like writing or image generation. Others are more versatile and can handle a wider range of tasks. But they all share a common goal: to create something new and valuable. The power of generative AI agents lies in their training. This process involves feeding them massive amounts of data. This data could be anything: text, images, audio, or even code. The agent then analyzes this data, identifying patterns and relationships. Think of it like teaching a child to paint. You wouldn't simply tell the child what to paint. Instead, you would show them countless paintings. You would expose them to different styles, techniques, and subjects. Over time, the child would develop their own unique style. Generative AI agents learn in a similar way. They absorb the information from their training data. They then use this information to develop their own creative voice. These agents are built on complex algorithms and neural networks. These networks are inspired by the structure of the human brain. This allows them to process information and learn in a way that mimics human cognition. The applications of generative AI agents are vast and varied. They are already making their mark in various fields. In the realm of art and design, these agents are being used to create stunning visuals. They can generate logos, illustrations, and even realistic three-dimensional models. This is revolutionizing the way we design everything from websites to video games. In the field of writing, AI agents are assisting authors and journalists. They can generate different writing styles. They can also translate languages with incredible accuracy. These are just a few examples of how generative AI agents are being used today. As these agents continue to evolve, their impact on our lives will only become more profound. The two sides of the coin: benefits and drawbacks. Like any transformative technology, generative AI agents come with their own set of benefits and drawbacks. On the positive side, these agents have the potential to increase efficiency and productivity. They can automate tedious tasks, freeing up humans to focus on more creative and strategic work. They can also help us overcome creative blocks and generate new ideas. However, there are also potential downsides. One concern is the potential for job displacement. As these agents become more sophisticated, they may automate jobs currently performed by humans. Another concern is the potential for misuse. These agents could be used to create harmful content, such as deepfakes or misleading information. It is crucial to approach this technology with a balanced perspective, acknowledging both its potential and its limitations. Reshaping reality. Impact on cryptocurrency and daily life. The impact of generative AI agents is already being felt in various sectors, including the world of cryptocurrency. These agents can analyze market trends. They can also execute trades with speed and precision that surpasses human capabilities. This is changing the way we invest and trade in cryptocurrencies. But the impact of these agents extends far beyond the financial markets. They are poised to transform our daily lives in countless ways. Imagine a world where you could have a personalized AI assistant that could manage your schedule, book appointments, and even compose emails on your behalf. This is just one example of how generative AI agents could simplify our lives and free up our time. Riding the AI wave: investment opportunities. The rise of generative AI agents presents exciting investment opportunities. Companies at the forefront of this technology are developing innovative solutions. These solutions have the potential to disrupt entire industries. When considering investment in AI, it's crucial to do your research. Look for companies with a strong track record of innovation. Also, seek companies that are developing practical applications for this technology. Investing in AI is not without risk. The field is constantly evolving. It's important to stay informed about the latest developments and trends. The road ahead: navigating the future of generative AI. As we venture further into the age of generative AI, we must proceed with both excitement and caution. These agents have the potential to revolutionize our world, but it is our responsibility to ensure that this revolution is a positive one. We must establish ethical guidelines for the development and use of these agents. These guidelines should address concerns such as bias, privacy, and job displacement. Open dialogue and collaboration will be crucial. We need to bring together experts from various fields, technology, ethics, law, and social sciences, to shape the future of AI. A universe of possibilities. The journey into the world of generative AI agents is just beginning. These agents have the potential to unlock a universe of possibilities, limited only by our imagination. As we continue to explore this uncharted territory, we will undoubtedly encounter new challenges and ethical dilemmas. But by embracing a spirit of curiosity, collaboration, and responsible innovation, we can harness the power of this transformative technology to create a brighter future for all.